Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me. I'm Rinske Dauna and today I'm gonna make this painting. It's the biggest one I have ever done, so it's a 3x4 foot canvas. It's a commission piece and it is different. So you don't see it right now, but wait till you see it in real life and well, you're not able to see it in real life, but in the close-ups and what happened here. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this is a 3x4 foot canvas, so it's huge. It's just fitting on my table. And I had sent the client a couple of blues and how they dry. And they love the ultramarine blue by Amsterdam and how that dries. So I'm gonna create a base here. Need a lot. So let's speed that up for you. Alright guys, so the base is on. Took me a while. Very vibrant, this blue color now. When it dries, it does dry more beautiful and chic. So the client want it based on one of my biggest pours that I did. And so I'm gonna try to create a sort of similar composition and using same colors. And I have here again my pearl colors. I hope that works on this kind of base, but we'll see. Let's just quickly torch that and start with the blow dryer. Really curious with this base color, to be honest, because the pearl colors work so great on super dark colors, so I don't know if it works on a semi-dark color. So let's start. Alright, so let's start blowing it out. Well, I'm loving that blue. Lot of cells. Alright, I'm loving the colors in this one. I think the design can be a little bit neater because here you see it doesn't look that natural to me. So I will be tweaking some. Oof. I hope the client loves green. I dislike this part, but we'll work with it later. First, the overall composition. So I will create here a line as well. And let's go again. So I can imagine it might be too green for my client, but I love green. All right, let's blow this out. You know, I'm a fan. I'm a big fan. I love that the second part is slightly thinner and a bit softer, a lot more cells. But then again, there are so many cells there. I do feel like on the right top corner it needs to go over the edge. Yeah, I really think this is stunning, guys. Can't wait for this to dry, and I really hope the client loves green. Alright, so I'm gonna do the sides real quick and bring you up for a close-up, but I think I will show the dried close-up because then you really see the end result, right? Whoa! This painting dried so much darker, and that's perfect because we tested it out with the color palette before. But what is so interesting is that I used an ultramarine as a base color, and that is a transparent color. So what happened, it did not dry as one color. So we have here different gradients of blue in the base, and somehow it's just making this painting so much more interesting than when it was drying flat and one same color. I've sent it to my client and I told her something different is in this painting, and she is loving it. Well, I'm in love with how this dried. It's just the perfect gradient, and these colors on top, they pop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.